Hello and welcome back to my channel. So let's see, it's time again for the monthly roundup of the Fab Bag, and let's see what Fab Bag has packed for us this month. This month's bag looks nice and transparent with a green honeycomb design, and the theme of this month's bag is called the Summer Escapade. It's got a nice picture of a lady traveling out, and this time what the list tells me is that they have packed 4 products for us to try out. So let's see what are the products that they've sent us this month. So the first thing that struck my eye through the transparent bag and kind of worried me for a bit was this Inveda Sunscreen Cream Gel SPF 30 with PA+++. Now when I'd seen this tube, I got a little worried because some time ago Fab Bag had packed for us an Inveda BB cream, or was it a CC cream? BB cream, I think. And it had really not worked for me, and I was very disappointed in the product. And when I kind of saw a full-size tube of this very same color combination, I got a little worried. But I think my doubts were kind of unfounded, because when I opened and read, of course, it was not a BB cream but a sunscreen. It says it's a cream gel, and I've already kind of applied a little bit onto the back of my palm, and there is no residue that I felt. No stickiness. I've not tried it on my face so far, so when I do, I'll let you know how this fares on me. So I have great hopes from this product. It also says that it's paraben free, it's sweat proof, and has a broad spectrum protection for the skin. So let's see, as the month goes by, I'll let you know how this works. The second full-size product, so yeah, 2 full-size products this month. The second full-size product is the Sea Soul HD Professional eyeshadow palette. It's in a nice matte black box, and it has these 2 very pretty shades, if you can see clearly. One is called warm brown and the other one is called a copper bronze. So to kind of give you an idea of what the shades are like, so this is one shade. I don't know if you can see it very clearly, and the second one is this. I don't know why they call it kind of a copper brown, because it's more olivey. It's a nice shimmery olivey kind of summer color, and the brown, the warm brown, is quite nice as well, with a little bit of shimmer in it. So this promises to be quite a nice product that they've packed in. This is also a full-size product. I forgot to tell you the price of the previous one. This is priced as rupees 900. Now each bag costs about 599 or 600 rupees, I think, and just one product covers that cost for you and more, which is a 900 rupee palette. Whether this is worth it, I don't know, because I've not tried out the product yet. So when I do, I'll let you know whether it really does deserve a 900 rupees price tag. And for Inveda, just to go quickly back, this is priced at 225 rupees for 75 ml. This is a full size pack, so not very expensive, but holds a lot of promise. The third product, which is a Nyasa, I think that's how it's pronounced, Nyasa Tea Tree Face Wash. As you can see, I already have an outbreak of summer heat pimples. I've struggled with this for years, and I've kind of stopped worrying about it now. So this is quite promising. Let's see whether it fulfills the promise of tea tree oil kind of helping with acne and pimples. So that's the third one. This is priced at 400 rupees for 145 ml, and this is a 30 ml bottle. So not bad. It's a generous sample size. The final product that they've added this month is the Nature's Company White Tea Night Cream. It's called Atmosphere. I don't know why it's called Atmosphere. I quite like Nature's Company products. They're usually herbal based and are free of all the nasties. It actually has a very refreshing smell. It's a light creamy texture with slightly gelish kind of. So it should be a nice summer product. I have oily skin, so we'll see how this works for me. I just love the smell completely. This is priced at 895 rupees for 50 ml, and the sample size is 20 mils. And of course, as with most Nature's Company products, they are purely herbal, and well, they claim that they are generally free of the usual preservatives and other nasty chemicals that might be present in various creams. So again, I'm going to give you a more detailed feedback on this only when I've used it. So all in all, what do I think about this month's bag? I think I'm quite impressed. 2 full-size products out of 4. No pieces of jewelry which I can't wear. So that was a very big plus point. I quite like this. This can be actually a very good, toilet bag really. I mean, when you're carrying it into wet places, because most of the bags kind of had a fabricy texture and they would get wet very easily. This should repel water, so I'm quite liking this bag altogether. And the products, of course, I'm really looking forward to using the products. The eyeshadow has lovely color, and I'm looking forward to using the sunscreen cream gel that Inveda has sent us. So I'll be back again soon with another video. Till then,